So Reply has one of the most simple interfaces. It's just really easy to use and navigate. There's a big menu along the top. You've just got a clear white workspace with mostly grey text. You'll see it's kind of no frills, this UI, and that's what I love about it. There's hardly anything added that doesn't need to be there, and it's stripped down to the bare essential ingredients. It doesn't even really need to have very clever interactions like some of the other software that we've reviewed in this video. There's clever, detailed interactions. With Reply, it's almost gone back to basics. However, you do see some of the neat modern tricks, like having a create button that's contextual, and it follows you wherever you are in the app. So just thinking about the menu, first of all, you've got the tabs along the top screen. There are not many drop downs, and the menu is pretty easy to navigate and use. If anything, it's getting a little bit large, but I think what Reply will end up doing is making more use of the more drop down, and then also maybe grouping things as their software develops and grows. But just going through this, you can see quite quickly that you get very easy to navigate drop down, like sub menu items, and you can see how simple the screens and designs really are. I mean, what's great about this is that for bootstrapped companies or startups in SaaS that don't have a massive amount of funding, you could work with a skilled designer and create something simple and easy to use, and that's almost better than going over the top. And that's one of the things I like about Reply. So even let's just take a look at some of the functionality here. When you go into something like a sequence, again, the UI is really great. It's big and easy to use, and you have a sequence here that's laid out, and it couldn't be easier to understand what's going on in this workflow sequence. And then when you want to add a step, you just add directly at the end of this whatever you want that step to be. So it's pretty typical that you get workflow automations that look really complex. Maybe they do have more functionality, such as forking and having some more logic in them. But I just like the way that this one's simple and easy to use. Anything you click into is just super simple and easy. And you can see that how I've built this automation that we use at UserActive. So that's one highlight I would say about Reply. It's just simple, easy, and no fuss. And I really appreciate the product experience with that in mind.